own steam, it looks as though there is very, very light damage to it, so say, considering that it's coming out of Westfield. I'm going to get another replay. Yes, we do. So he loses it coming in. It spins 1, 2, 3 times, and then very lightly brushes the barriers 2 or 3 times actually. Once with the front, once with the back, and then again with the front at the next section of barrier. But it was a very quick off, and there wasn't a great deal that Thierry Vermeulen could do about that. So 2 or 3 light brushes into the barrier, and then at the same time we also had Marcus Peveradoff at the wheel of the Lamborghini. That was a little bit further up the road, going in towards Sheen Curve, where he did exactly the same as we saw, was it Alberto Costa do earlier on, where he put the Ferrari into the gravel trap and just kept his foot in and dumped the car back out. So everybody returning to the pit lane, including the Ferrari that brought about this brief red flag period. We could already see the marshals were starting to put the foam padding back in front of the barriers where the Ferrari had removed it. It also gives Alan Hyde, the teams, an opportunity to practice those driver changes again. I can see a few of them going on in the pit lane at the moment.
Wheel the car back into the garage and pop a little bit of fuel into the car for the potentially final few minutes of this pre-practice session, because essentially if you need to rehearse something, now is the time to do it, because with qualifying this afternoon, 2 races tomorrow, from now on it's all competitive. So when the checker flag is shown at the end of this, there's no more time for practice, that's for sure. Tristan just slipping himself into his car. Valentino Rossi walks across the back of the garage with the inevitable throng of valet fans situated on the grass opposite the garage, which is always great to see, really cool. And it was very much a feature of this meeting here at Brands Hatch last year. So it's going to be very much a feature of this meeting in 2023 as well.
Yeah, and if you're one of those fans that has got the correct pass, so it's any relevant pass holders, we do of course have the Famous NGT World Challenge powered by Aegis Pit Walk and Drivers Autograph session tomorrow. That is only open to those that have the relevant pass to enable them to be part of that. So if it's anything like last year, there'll be it was like the start of the London Marathon, wasn't it, when we did it last year?
It was utterly incredible. I've never seen a pit lane about quite like
I just felt sorry for all the other drivers, because Valentino Rossi was at the other end of the pit lane, and when they opened it, everybody ran to the bottom of the pit lane past all of the other drivers.
They did, and big stars of GT racing from around the world. Can't you realise that I can have some of the more relaxed, quieter weekend today? Yeah, this is really pretty cool.
It looks like there is light damage to the front right-hand corner of that Ferrari. We're seeing it on the screen at the moment, Alan. So broken part of the bodywork, part of the bodywork. I think there's a dive plate missing off it. You might be closer to be able to see exactly what the extent of the damage is front and rear, because it did impact barriers at both ends.
They are going to be pretty keen to get back out on the circuit as well. What have we got on the time? 3.5?
Yeah.
Or thereabouts. So with some cars having taken a lick of fuel to get them ready, we are going to see just a few laps at the end of this pre-qualifying session.
Yep, so no indication yet that the red light at the end of the pit lane is going to turn green, but the session will restart on short notice, is the official information that we've received. And then of course, even when it goes green at the end of the pit lane, you're going to have to nail and out that to get another flyer in if you want to. Let's wait and see. So now down to less than 3 minutes remain. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars probably queuing up at pit lane, 2 of which are the Honda NSXs. Front of the queue is an Audi. Mercedes after that. That's a 77 car. Mercedes is next in the queue.
He looks like fucking Colin.
So the session will not be resumed, is the information that we just received. So we've just had confirmation now that the session will not be resumed. I think there was an expectation that it would. The light does go green at the end of the pit lane. However, saying on my screen, the session will not be resumed. So I think it was just those 5 cars that have already left their pit garages at the end of the pit lane to get out. So times then, let me just guide you through the times. Fastest of all was the Chris Harter and Luca Legere, number 22 Audi at the time of a 1:22.467 from the number 11 Audi. Second quickest was the number 14 Ferrari, which was the Giacomo Alto and Costa Lapalainen Ferrari, 1:22.640. And third quickest was number 99 Alex Acker and Lorenzo Petresi's Audi, 1:22.739. Fourth quickest was car number 21, Gilles Magnus and Finley Hutchinson with their Audi, a time of 1:22.991, and fifth quickest in the end for number 88, which was Timo Boguslavski, who Alan spoke to earlier on, partnered up with the star Raffaele Marcielli with a time of a 1:23.004. That is the fastest time that Mercedes has set in that session.